Well, this is kind of cool. I finally got my new mic, and today is Friday. I got a couple days off of work, and I got my fresh cut, so I'm feeling pretty good about that. You can call me Fresh Cut Freddy. All right, so YouTube, I'm back for another video. Just wanted to record just a little bit about my trading journeys, just some updates. This is really the whole, the reason why I'm on the platform right now is really just to document what I've been doing in the charts and just to kind of weigh and measure, what's working, what's not working. So this week was a pretty good week as far as me following my rules and just really sticking to the plan that I lay out as far as jumping into trades, grabbing positions, taking my time with like risk management and taking my time with like calculating my risk size. I feel like I got something in my eye, or maybe just some extra long eyebrows. But one issue that I had today, and I actually trade from my phone, so I guess I should start the story with that, is I trade from my phone. I don't have I'm not able just to sit in front of a computer currently. I think everybody's working to, be a full-time trader, being able to trade wherever. But right now I trade strictly off of my cell phone. And so the issue that I had is during my evaluation today, I saw a nice setup. I was patient, came to the charts at the right time, calculated my risk size, and I put in an order for 250 shares. That was the goal, was to put in an order for 250 shares. I fat fingered it and accidentally sent the order through for 200 or 2,500 shares. So essentially what happened is I saw how large a position that I had took, and my account, and mind you, I'm still trading in an evaluation. So risk management is super key. In this scenario, but I took on way too much size, and I immediately closed the position, like a quick $300 loss. So I emailed the tech support just to let them know that this was an error. It was on me, and it's not something that I've done before. So hopefully they can give me a little bit of grace as far as maybe resetting. I don't even know what remedy that they would offer, but I just talked to them and just let them know that this was a mistake. It wasn't like I was trying to over risk or take on too much size. It was literally a mistake with my order. Now if I was trading a live account, this is not something that I could even do or reach out to anybody. If you screw up an order, it's on you. So for me, the biggest takeaway is that in addition to me fat fingering it, I was actually doing probably too much at one time. I got some friends in town this week. They're coming they came to visit, and so I was getting a haircut, and we were running around getting our house clean, and wanted to really get some things done early this morning and get back home. And in the mix of me running to grab some cash out for the barber, like I took a position, and that is partly what happened. Is I was distracted, and I think that was one of the reasons that I fat fingered it. Just wasn't paying attention to the actual order that I sent through. So that's something that I'm just going to have to make sure that I work around and build processes around. Is whenever I'm trading, whenever I need to make sure that I'm like not distracted, not doing other things, and just focus. The power with trading, the power with using leverage, like with prop firms and funding accounts, is you get a tremendous amount of opportunity. Whereas if you were just, live trading with your own capital, you may not, it may take a while to save up the amount of money that you need in order to have a significant income, from trading. So for me, that's something that I know that I will obviously do a video journal with. I keep a physical journal, and that's something that I will kind of build around or plan around to make sure that I'm like sitting somewhere, or at least I'm focused 100% on the execution and not doing other things. Like I was literally walking into the store, and when I realized that I panicked, and then I just sold, put in a market order just to sell everything. And then so I talked to chat. They created a ticket, and so now I just gotta kind of wait and see what happens. I will I will update you and let you know exactly what happened, if they were able to reset it or just kind of give me some grace in that situation. But I've really been doing great with this challenge, and I want to make sure that I'm staying on that same vein. A cool thing is, I did not. This is something that's a little bit different. Is I didn't go on tilt and like freak out or spaz or feel like I had to revenge trade to make up some of the cash that I inadvertently lost. So that is probably something a little bit different, because I definitely felt like I wanted to go in and kind of get it all back, make some trades to get it all back. And so, I've had so much experience this year, dealing with like tilt and really just getting like super spun out, when I have trades that go against me, and I just have this feeling where I need to make it all back in one day. And that's really that going on tilt, and that feeling is exactly why I have not been able to get past the funding phase. So I'm staying true to my goals, staying true to my mission to be a better trader for myself, be a better trader for my wife, be a better trader for my kids and my mom and dad. This is something that I see as a tremendous opportunity. So I want to make sure that I'm not being cavalier, just throwing money around and wasting more time. So this is just kind of a update to how my week finished. I'm not going to say that this was anything that like really soiled my trading week, because I still finished profitable this week. But all in all, I'm on the right track. And whether I'm able to get those losses recouped, or if I just have to just kind of go from there, I'm still green on the evaluation. I'm still profitable in the challenge, and it may take a little bit longer to get funded, but that's okay. I'm not. I think I've kind of graduated from that need to like hurry up and pass these evaluations, because I've tried it in every different form, every different iteration. It does not work for me. I just saw an email from the prop firm that I traded with, that somebody got funded in a couple days, and like I actually just avoid looking at that, because that creates a little bit of FOMO in me and feeds this need to want to jealous, enviousness, and I'm just like, that's not my path. So the trades that I'm taking, they're in my setups. I see the charts a little bit better with me moving slower. So all in all, things are doing better. I got my mic, so I'm feeling gravy. And thank you for watching this. Again, this is just a snapshot of where I am in my trading, and I will continue to kind of share a little bit about myself and like how my trading is changing and the things that I'm learning. And hopefully, I can drop a couple nuggets that you also can use on your journey as well. So that's all I got, man. I hope y'all have a great holiday weekend, and thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe. Comment below if you've ever done anything like that where you really like blew like a fill or an entry or something like that, just not because the charts wasn't right or you didn't have the right trade idea. It was just a technical error. So I'm kind of curious if I'm the only one that's done something like that. But again, thanks for watching. I hope you have a good one. Peace.